This is how you're going to process credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. First, you're going to have to ensure that QuickBooks payments have been enabled. Now, once your customer have paid credit card payments in your QuickBooks, what you're going to do next is you're going to head over to the new from the left side panel, and then we're going to create a new sales receipt. Now, once you click on sales receipt, you will see this payment method section right here. But before we get into that, make sure that you have all of these filled out. You're going to head over to the payment method, and then from here, we're going to select credit card as their mode of payment. So basically, this is how they paid us. Now, we're going to enter the reference number that was in the payment, and then we're going to set the deposit to. So maybe they have deposits, or you want to deposit to the cash and cash equivalent, allowance for bad debt, and all of that. And then you're just going to fill out all of these details as necessary, just how you normally would with an invoice. And that's it. When the customer pays, QuickBooks automatically records the transaction and deposit it into your linked bank account for the next transactions. And that's it. That is how you're going to process credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. But do not forget to save.